Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about how to fix stolen device protection and fail to enable. How to fix this problem. Let's start this video. First of all, open setting. After this, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure your internet connection is working properly. After this, go back, tap on general, tap on software update and make sure you have downloaded iOS 26 beta. After this, go back and here tap on date and time and always set automatically. After this, go back again, tap on VPN and device management. Here check if any VPN is connected, turn off VPN, go back again, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services and check this option is enabled. After this, go back again. Here tap on screen time. After this, tap on content and privacy restriction and always disable this option. After this, go back and restart your mobile phone. Hopefully your problem will be solved. If your problem is not solved, open setting again, tap on your Apple ID. After this, scroll down and you can see option here, sign out. Tap on sign out and sign out your Apple ID and sign in again. Hopefully your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.